Hello all, welcome to Homemade. Hope you all are doing good. So today's recipe is a simple chicken strips. So a spicy one, the Indian version. So this recipe I adapted from the Angry Chef. So he's there on Instagram. You can check out his feed as well. Let's begin to cook. So firstly, I've taken around 200 grams of chicken strips, cut thinly. Next, we'll be making a marinade for the chicken strips. So for that, I've taken 2 tablespoons of thick yogurt. Avoid using the water content of the yogurt. Then half a teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. You can use paprika powder also. Half a teaspoon of garam masala. Here I've chopped around a small piece of ginger, some garlic, coriander stem, and some green chilies. Then I've added chaat masala, some salt. So these are all the basic ingredients for the marinade. So we'll just combine this well and we will be adding the chicken strips to it. So ensure to coat the chicken strips well in the marinade, and we'll just allow this to rest for at least a minimum of 1 to 2 hours in the refrigerator. So if you're following me on Instagram, the recipe is already there under the 1-minute reel. So meanwhile, we'll just heat up the oil. Ensure to keep the flame on very low. Next, for the coating, I'm using 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So we'll just season the flour with some paprika powder and some garlic powder. Along with that, for additional flavoring, I'm just adding onion powder as well. So this is from Kalavara Eats. They deliver overall India. So you can just check their feed also. It's more like homemade spice powder mix. And finally, some salt. So we'll just combine everything together. Next, we'll just coat the chicken strips onto the flour mix. Dust the excess flour and just add it to the oil. So ensure to keep the oil on medium to low heat, else the chicken will turn very dark immediately when you put it in the oil. So we'll just slow cook this, meaning to within 5 to 7 minutes the fry will be ready. So ensure to keep the flame on medium to low, so that it comes out with a nice golden brown crispy edge on the other outside, and the inner portion will be perfectly cooked. So our chicken strips are ready. So this chicken strips can be had as a whole meal, or I just made some fried rice, Szechuan fried rice. So I'll be serving it with that. You can check out my Insta handle, it's homemade.me. There are more than 150 simple recipes that I've posted, and all the videos are less than a minute, so it'll be a easy and a quick go for you. So the chicken is very well cooked. It's soft inside and it's crispy outside. Do try out this recipe. Hope you guys will enjoy it. Stay connected and thank you for watching.